Hey guys, so welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video, I will share with you guys this my very special recipe. This is egg and corned beef sauce. Oh my god, guys, you need to try out this one. Even if you've not been trying out my other recipes, this is a must try. If you're interested, just relax and please keep on watching. I'll start by showing you guys the ingredients that I will use for this recipe. Here is corned beef. I don't know why I have such a hard time opening corned beef. Guys, let me know in the comment section if it's just me. Let me know if it is general. So this corned beef is one of the very important ingredients in this recipe. It takes it to another level. Please do not omit it, and please check my description box for the full list of all the ingredients. Over here I have some pepper sauce. So here I have two bell peppers, half green bell pepper, one big bulb of onion, one scotch bonnet, ginger, and some garlic. So these are all the things that I blended together to form this. Over here, I have seven raw eggs. Over here is one chopped onions and half green bell pepper cut into cubes. So the first thing is to preheat your pot. Once the water in the pot dries up, add about half cup of cooking oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Here I use vegetable oil. Once the oil heats up, which takes about 30 seconds, pour in your chopped onions and fry until the onions becomes translucent. This usually takes about 30 minutes to, sorry, I mean 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then to season the oil, I added half teaspoon of curry powder and half teaspoon of thyme. Then I fried it again for another 30 seconds. This sauce is naturally delicious, so it doesn't need much seasoning. So this is just to flavor this oil and make it also smell good. So go ahead and fry it for more 30 seconds. Next, pour in the blended pepper mixture. After stirring in your pepper mixture, cover the pot and let this fry for about 10 minutes. It might take more time, it depends on the quantity you are making. After 10 minutes, this is how it looks. So just stir it together again and add some seasoning cubes or seasoning powder. So to this one, I added half tablespoon of chicken seasoning powder, and this sauce, as I said before, is naturally delicious, so it doesn't require much seasoning. At this point, I also added the chopped green bell pepper and I fried them together for about 5 to 7 more minutes. At this point, the water in the bell peppers has dried up and we have just oil. So this is the time to add in your corned beef. So I added in the corned beef and I mixed everything together. Once the corned beef is properly incorporated into your sauce, just cover it again and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. you don't want the corned beef to have lumps in the sauce. Okay, just make sure you break it apart very well and you just let it look like this, just how mine is looking at this point. And I can tell you my kitchen smells so good at this point. So now, and after 2 minutes, just mix it together and then add your final ingredients, which is eggs. Guys, if you notice, I did not add salt to this food because corned beef comes with lots of salt, so I don't bother adding salt whenever I'm making this recipe. But if for any reason maybe you feel the salt from the corned beef is not enough for you, just go ahead and season the food accordingly. Season it to your choice, okay? So now once you add in the eggs, you really have to be gentle. Don't stir so vigorously or don't do any hard guy stirring at this point. You just have to be gentle. Notice how I'm just moving the sauce gently and then letting the eggs seep into the bottom of the pot so that the eggs can cake. So, and at this point, you also have to turn down your heat. Okay, reduce your heat to low, between low and medium. You don't need to do this with high heat. Then continue stirring gently until you see that this sauce is caked. Okay, what I mean by caking is you see that the eggs has like um formed, like the eggs has formed and caked, and then the sauce will become much thicker than what is looking now. That is how you know that the sauce is ready. Guys, I need you to try out this recipe. Trust me, it is so good. You can pair this with yam, which is my favorite to pair it with. You can pair it with yam. You can also pair it with rice, with plantains, with potatoes. I have also tried it with bread. I did it like a sandwich. I put the sauce in between my bread and I gummed it together. Oh my god, it was so good. And guys, what do I have to say? Okay, please give this video a thumbs up if you have not yet done that, and please subscribe to this channel, and please share this video. Okay, share this video to your family and friends. I'm sure they'll benefit from it. They need to try out this recipe. Even you watching this need to try out this recipe. Okay, just go to the store, buy corned beef. I'm sure you have eggs already in the house. Buy red bell peppers and green bell peppers. You can also use some tomatoes if you don't have bell peppers, and come back home and make this sauce. You'll be happy you did. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that whenever I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe.